welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some broccoli soup. So let me get started.
I added the celery to the pot. I forgot to mention I'm going to use 3 cloves of garlic and probably 4 cups of water if I don't have any chicken. I added the chicken breast. I cut it up in small pieces and added it, and I started adding some of the carrots in there. So let me just continue to cut up the carrots and the bell pepper. And the bell pepper. I added the carrots. I have the Instant Pot on saute for 30 minutes. But I'm pretty sure I will be putting it on. As soon as I get all the vegetables cut up, I will be putting it on to stew meat. I got a tablespoon of parsley. That means a tablespoon of oregano. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of salt, sea salt, teaspoon of black pepper. I just added the bell peppers. I just chopped them up in not small pieces, but bite-sized pieces. I added my 3 cloves of garlic in there whole, because by the time the soup is ready, it'll be melted down. I'm going to add my soup stock, chicken broth, to my Instant Pot. I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chopped onions. This is half an onion. It's a half of a large onion, must say. I showed the onion early on. I'm gonna add my lemon juice. That's a whole lemon I'm adding to this pot. This is the other half. I'm adding my frozen broccoli to the pot. Here, there we go. I added my heavy whipping cream to the pot. I'll add my coconut amino to the pot. I'm going to add about a tablespoon. Okay, there we go. I'll mix that up. Okay, and I'm not going to add the cheese until much later. I had 1 piece of fish left over. This is tilapia. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pot. It'll give an extra flavor in there. People are not gonna know what it is, but that's what it is. I broke up the fish, and now I'm gonna add the lid to the pot. I'm not gonna add the cheese until much later, okay? Instant Pot on meat and stew for 60 minutes, and I also have a seal on the top of the Instant Pot, so it will cook for 60 minutes. I just like how it tastes after 60 minutes, so I'm sure the vegetables will be done before. I like to cook it for 60 minutes. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. Let me go ahead and add the cheese to the broccoli soup. this cheese out of the refrigerator. This is the cheese I'm adding. So after I add the cheese, I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add any salt. I'm going to add 1 cup of cheddar cheese. That's about a cup there. And mix it up again. It looks delicious. Let me taste it to see if I need to add any salt to it. It needs a little salt, so I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So altogether I added 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to stir it up and add some more pepper, about a teaspoon more pepper. That is just perfect.
If you like this video, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.